What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video here is going to be one in my quick tips playlist. So this is going to be a real quick video. We're just going to show you how to download and install MSI Afterburner, and let's get right into it. So first thing, obviously you come to Google, you search MSI Afterburner download, and then you want to click on the one that says MSI.com. Okay. Now, I'm just doing these mostly for people that don't know exactly what buttons to press, because sometimes it's confusing. And when you go to download programs, they got, say, different buttons that say download here, download there. All these videos are going to show you, how to do it the best and the quickest. So once you're here, we're just going to come down to download Afterburner. And you can also click on Dragon Center over here if you want to try that out. It's a different program. I'm going to make a whole nother video on how to do that. But then you just pick where you want it to be downloaded. Okay. Whatever folder. You click save. And then you'll see in the bottom left hand corner, it'll say MSI Afterburner setup. You're going to click on it, or double click on it. Okay. And then it's going to bring you here. You're going to double click on that. And then it's asking administrator permission, so you just enter your code or click OK, whatever. Then the language, pick your language, click next, click I accept the terms, next. Make sure both of these are checked, RivaTuner and MSI Afterburner. Then we click next. Find out where you want it to go, where you want to save it to. If you don't want to save it to where it says here, you just click browse and pick another destination, and then click next, and then you click install, and it's doing its thing. But then we click OK, and now we're into the RivaTuner setup. Then you click next, just the same exact thing as the MSI one, except click next, pick your destination, click next, and click install. Now, it helps a lot if you have an M.2 SSD. These programs download way quicker, way better. It's a lot easier. So I highly recommend getting an M.2 SSD card. Then we're going to click finish. Click finish again. And it's going to pop up some PDFs and stuff. You don't have to worry about that. If you want to read them, you can read them. But we just X out of this. And it's downloaded. Let's close these down and show you what it looks like real quick. This is what it looks like. You guys can do all types of stuff in here. Control your clock speeds, your fan speeds, mess with all your monitoring stuff. And you can also change what it looks like if you just go to settings, come all the way over to profiles, user interface, and then come right here, and you can pick a skin. They got a bunch of them, probably like 20 of them you can pick from. You see, it's got all these different ones. Okay, it's all up to you, whatever you want to do. In a future video, guys, I'm going to make sure I get this MSI covered, because there's a lot of stuff you can do with it. So comment down below, let me know if this helped you out. Let me know if you had trouble with it. If you have any questions, just shoot them down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.